difference between the permutations and other combination, guys? Huh? But any difference is there, or we don't permutations? There will be some difference, no? Permutation means what is the meaning, guys? Any idea?
Sir, we'll use permutations only once, but we can use combinations n number of times.
Permutation one time, combination number of times.
So in permutation, we also care about the order.
Very good. Arrangement. Permutations with selection as well as ordering the elements. Very good, Amma. Who is this? Akila?
Akila, role number 8.
Very good. Yes, what about the combination part here, guys? Combination. Combination, guys.
Just counting the selections.
Very good. Very good. So can anyone give an example for combination, guys? Any example for combination, guys? Guys, I'm giving one example. Tell me whether it will be combination or permutation. I have 15 players are there, guys. I'm having 15 players are there. So I need to get a cricket team of 11 players. So here I need to use combination or permutation.
Combination.
Very good. So very good, Akila. So very good. Why it is combination means here we are selecting. Order doesn't matter. But if I want to go for their captain, vice captain means, guys, we can see the captain and vice captain also, that time also order matters. Okay. So for certain groups of things, order matter, guys. So permutation means number of ways of, guys, permutation means number of ways of arranging the given elements. Number of ways of arranging the given elements. It can be books, or it can be some numbers, or it can be people also. Okay. Combination means for something like selecting it, here order doesn't matter. So in this class, we are going to see what are the learning outcomes here. So today's class learning outcomes will be like understanding what is permutation, what is combination, and solving the different models that are related to permutations and combinations. Guys, before going to the permutation, there are some basic concepts we need to remember. One is factorial. I hope you know this factorial concept, guys. And other is counting principle. Other is counting principle. Okay. So in the permutations also, guys, remember, we will be going with linear permutation, nothing but arranging in tabular arrangement. Other is circular arrangement also. Okay. So we can see circular arrangement and combinations later. Today agenda will be mainly learning the concept of permutation, guys. So before going to the permutation concept, we need to learn the concept of factorial. Guys, we know what is the meaning of factorial, right? Suppose n factorial is given means we need to write n elements in descending order. So it is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on, 3 into 2 into 1. Guys, we already know that 1 factorial is 1, right? So 2 factorial is how much, guys? 2 factorial?
2.
3 factorial?
6.
Very good. 4 factorial, guys. Respond.
24.
Right. Guys, for participation also, there will be some internal marks will be there. So make sure message me through chat box also, because I'll be noting down every class after I'm noting down your roll numbers. Okay. So if you can respond, there will be internal assessment, good marks will be there. Even for companies also, we can expect good results. No. That's the thing. That's the agenda of conducting placement training classes. So 4 factorial is 24 here. What about 5 factorial, guys?
120.
120.
120. Who is this otherwise? Harikalyan, Rishita, and any other person, guys?
Sir, Anirudh, sir.
Anirudh.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Message me through chat box, okay, guys? So if I say anything, so that I can note down your roll numbers. So what about 6 factorial, guys?
720.
720.
Very good. 7 factorial? Yes, we up to studied up to only 6 factorial. I know, guys. For any CAT exams or GRE or placements, like so, main thing our focus is like if you want to go for abroad, CAT, GRE, GMAT. This is a very important topic. As well as for placements, also we can expect main concept. This is a permutation combination concept. For any kind of competitive exams, also we can expect this permutation combination concept. So, guys, in the CAT, they will change the problem. But GRE, they will give the direct problems. In the GMAT also permutation combination, they will ask in different way. So GRE is direct, we can see the problems they are asking, but other things they will ask indirect. Even if you go for competitive exams also, you can see direct models. Like whatever we are teaching in the class, we can expect the same models, but CAT, GMAT or placement, definitely they will twist something in that. So we need to be aware of the basic concept. So what is the 7 factorial, guys? Good to see your answers. Very good. So 5040. Guys, if you can remember up to this, definitely it will be helpful for you in exams. Okay. So 1 factorial to 7 factorial, guys, you need to remember these values. Good. Okay, guys, now before going to the counting principle, suppose I want to give an example for you to understand what is the counting principle it will say in that. So guys, remember, I have 4 different oranges I have. Guys, remember, I have 4 different oranges, means in terms of sizes, okay? In terms of taste or anything, I have 4 different oranges and 5 different size apples are there. 5 different size apples are there. So how many ways I can select only one fruit, guys? How many ways I can select one fruit? No, how many ways I can select one fruit?
4C1 into 5C0.
No, sorry. Is this one? Someone responded. Can I know the name, Nana?
So 4C1 into 5C0. Anything.
Very good. 4C1 into 5C0. That's all.
Or 4C0 into 5C1.
Very good. I am so happy that you are telling by using the formula. Guys, everyone will agree for this 5C1 into 4C0. Yes, everyone will agree, or any other way we can do, guys. Sharath gave direct answer. Sharath, very good. I am so happy that, guys, remember I need to select only one fruit, right? So it will be, remember here, I can say directly 4 ways. Guys, remember selecting oranges and other is 5 ways. So I can select any one fruit, right? So it will be 9 ways. Will everyone agree or not agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because I need to select orange or apple. Or means it should be plus symbol. And means it should be multiplication symbol. Okay. Now, guys, my question this time, I need to get one orange. Guys, I need to get one orange and one apple. How many ways I can do this? One orange and one apple, guys.
20.
Who is this?
Yatharth, sir.
Nana, spell your name. Sorry.
YATH.
Yeah, the Y8. Okay. Sorry, Nana. Y8. Sorry, you can type in your chat box. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know. There is a problem with the headphones. I think I'm not able to hear. So, Yadharth, okay, fine. So, guys, I need to select one orange and Yadharth. Yeah, very good. So, how you got that logic? One orange and one apple means.
So, as you said, you need one orange and one apple, so we multiply both.
Very good. When I have and symbol, it should be multiplication. Very good, perfect. So it should be I need to select 4 ways here of getting one orange, and here I'm getting 5 ways for getting one apple. So 4 into 5 is how much? 20 ways. Guys, everyone will agree on this or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now again, one more question on counting, Nana. Don't mind. So if you can learn the counting principle, definitely this will be helpful for your combination problems. Definitely it will help you most. Suppose, guys, for entering a room, I have 3 entries are there. And for entry, we have 3 entries are there, and exit, we have 5 exits are there. So how many ways he can enter and how many ways he can exit the room? Guys, I have for entering the room, I have 3 ways, and exit, I have 5 ways. So how many ways I can enter? Very good, Nitin. So here also same logic, right? Guys, if anyone is not clear, you can raise your hand, or you can unmute, or you can message me through chat box. Definitely, I'll help you with that. So guys, remember, here I have, suppose, let us assume, very good. So ABC, here I have D, E, F, G, H. So how many ways I can do this? So ABC is nothing but here, with A, I have, if I enter with A, I can leave with any other 5 ways. Same way, if I enter with B, I can leave with any other 5 doors. Is it clear, guys? Guys, can you respond? Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Sarath, very good, Nitin. So, guys, counting visual is, I think, absolutely understood. So now my question, Nana. So remember, before going to the question. So what is the definition it is saying here? First operation we are performing in M ways. Second operation also performed in N ways. We need to perform both the operations at a time. So it should be M into N ways, guys. Understand? Okay. Guys, my question. My father bought me some shirts and pants. My father bought me, so in terms of shirts and pants, okay? Some shirts and some pants here. So that I need to wear for 6 days with 6 different combinations. Guys, my question is, my father bought some shirts and pants. I need to wear 6 days with 6 different combinations. So what is the minimum shirts and pants my father can purchase?
Three, sir.
Nitin, Nitin, can you tell me why it is 3, Nana? How it is?
Here means we can also do this like problems by factorial also, sir. 6 is the 3 factorial.
Okay,
Like-
6 is 3 factorial. Okay, fine.
So if 3 pairs are there, he can do it maximum up to the 6 days, 6 combinations.
Okay, you're saying 3 pairs. Guys, any other answer? Guys, it is not necessary. I need to have equal shirts and equal pants. Lakshmi, very good, Amma. Akila, very good, Amma. Tell me.
So either 3 shirts and 2 pants, or 3 pants and 2 shirts.
Very
So
good.
3
That's
into
it. Very good. So it should be 3 plus 2, 5 quantity. Very good, Amma. Lakshmi, very good. So guys, you need to understand. So I need to get 6 days means it should be like 6 can be written as in terms of 3 into 2. So either I can have 3 shirts with 2 pants, okay, or 2 shirts with 3 pants, so that I'll get 6 pairs, right? Guys, I hope you understood, everyone. So total quantity is 5.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Sharat. So guys, message me through chat box also. Very good, Chandana. Amma, Chandana, for the next problem, I'm expecting answer from you, Amma. Okay, get ready for this. Guys, one more thing happened this time. For 24 days, my father bought me 24 different combinations. Guys, remember, for 24 days, my father bought me 24 different combinations. Okay, in terms of shirts, pants, and ties. Okay, so what is the minimum quantity he can purchase to minimize the cost? Message me through chat box also fine. Gurjot, very good. Good. Row number 46. Guys, try to name yourself, okay? By roll number, I can't have your names now. So try to rename your roll number followed by your name or name followed by your roll number, also fine. Very good, Chandra. Amma Chandra, can you unmute? Chandra, Sai Chandra. Yes, Amma, can you tell me how it is that thing we can do that?
Sir, as it is similar to the 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2, sir. It may
Yes.
have 4 shirts, 3 pants, and 2 ties.
Very good. So guys, remember whatever the numbers we are splitting, that number should be always closer values. 4, 3, 2 are closer values. Suppose if I give 27 days I need to wear, means it should be 3 shirts, 3 pants, 3 ties. It is not always a factorial concept. It can be 27 if I give the answer. If I need to wear for 27 days with 27 different combinations, means I need to purchase 3 shirts, 3 pants, and 3 ties. Okay, guys, understanding, right? So whatever the numbers we are choosing, very good. That should be always closer values. Towards 24 is written as 4 into 3 into 2. So I can purchase of 4 shirts with 3 pants and 2 ties, or any other combination. It can be 3, 4, 2 or 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter. So total quantity I'm asking, how much is the quantity I can purchase? 9. Guys, any doubt in this counting principle? I don't think so. Guys, we know the permutation concept is nothing but number of ways of arranging the given particular arrangements. So suppose if I have, guys, remember I have n elements are there. So out of that, guys, out of n elements, I need to arrange r elements. Okay, guys, out of n elements, I need to arrange r elements. So what is the formula I can use here? NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Guys, I want to give an example to understand better of permutations and combination. Guys, early morning, I need to take my breakfast. So the menu availability is nothing but idli, dosa, puri. Guys, I have 3 tiffins are available. That is idli, dosa, puri. So I am not repeating. If I take once idli, I will not take again idli. Okay. So guys, how many ways I can take 2 items for my breakfast? Any answers? Guys, respond.
Can you repeat your question?
I have a menu, idli, dosa, puri only availability. So I need to have tiffin with only 2 items. Okay. Number of ways I can take my breakfast.
3 ways.
Very good. 3 ways. Guys, 3 ways or 6 ways? Guys, respond.
6, sir.
Who is this, Nanas?
Nitin.
Nitin, okay. We can give the chance to other people, right? Is it okay, Nana? Nitin? Yes. So someone is said the 6, right? Very good. So Shambhavi, can you respond, Amma? How it is 6 ways? Roll number 46. I need to have more interaction in the class. So if I know
yes,
you people,
sir.
yes, Amma.
Yes, sir. So 6 ways is like arranging them. So first, if I take idli, then I can arrange these 2 in 2 ways. So like that.
Okay, tell me the combinations. So if I want to write the combination, what is the way I can write here? Combinations.
Idli, dosa, idli, puri. And then
Very
dosa,
good. Idli, dosa, puri, right? You're saying, okay. Then again.
And sir, like I took them repeatedly also, sir. If we get repeated also, then I
No,
get
that's
dosa, idli, dosa, puri.
very good. Repetition means first preference. Yes or no? See,
Yes.
my first preference is idli here. Here I can take with the first preference as dosa also. Yes, very good. Any other things?
And then puri, idli, and puri, dosa.
Puri, idli. Okay, here you want to write idli, puri. Okay, puri, idli. And any other things? Puri, dosa, right?
Yes.
So guys, I hope you understood with the 3 elements, right? Suppose if I give the bigger number, then it will be difficult to do that. So that's a way. Suppose if they're given like this also, definitely there are some ways we need to use the formula part. Okay. Very good. Roll number 43. Sai Chandra, very good. Gurjot, very good. Gurjot, next question, Nana, for you. Okay. In the combination, we can go through that. So Here we are going to know what is the formula for NPR. Okay, Shambhu, very good, Amma. Yes, fine. That is 3PT also we can use the formula. Perfect. Guys, now I want to ask you the thing. What is the value of 5P3 nano? 5P3. How to write the notation of 5P3, guys?
5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial.
Very good. 5 factorial by, who is this, Nana? Nitin?
Yatharth, sir.
Yeah, that very
Value
good.
is 6.
Yeah, value is
16, sir.
60. Okay. So I need to write like this, or any other way we need to solve this, guys? Other than writing formula, any other way we can do that? Writing notation. If I want, every time I need to want to use the formula, it will be too difficult, right? So any other way of writing the value of 5P3, guys? Yes.
No.
No? 5P, guys, remember, 5P3 means, guys, you need to understand, we need to write 3 elements in descending order. 3 elements in descending order. So answer should be how much here? 60. My question is now, what is the value of 5P4, guys? What is the value of 5P4?
120, sir.
120. Very good, Gujjat, very good. So 5P4 means what I need to do here? 4 elements in descending order. Will everyone agree, right? Yes. Now, what is the value of, suppose if I give the value of 7P6, what is the value should be?
$50, $40.
Very good. So guys, you need to understand the meaning that 7P6 I am getting, if I write into 6 elements in descending order, I am getting 5040. Guys, will you agree this value is equal to 7 factorial or not?
Yes, sir.
Even 5P4 is also equal to what is the meaning I got here? 5 factorial, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, very good, Nitin. Now my question is, Nana, what is the value of NPN and NPN minus 1? What is the value of NPN and NPN minus 1, guys?
N factorial.
N factorial, sir.
Both are n factorial, or one is n factorial and other is n anything?
Both of them are N factorial.
Both of
Very good. Guys, if you can apply in the formulas, you can find out that NPN is nothing but n factorial by n minus n factorial. Otherwise, directly you need to remember 5P5 means I'm saying I like directly 120. So NPN is n factorial. Even NPN minus 1 also, what is the value? It is n factorial. Very good. So what about NP0? Guys, what is the value of NP0?
1.
1. What about NP1?
N.
When perfect. Nalini Mandava, very good, Amma. So I'm so happy that understanding the permutation. So okay, guys, we can go for another combination also. We can see the definition now. Okay. Guys, combination means number of ways of selecting. Here, order doesn't matter. So again, I want to give an example. This time I asked to Gurjot, right? Gurjot, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this time, Anna, I have idli, dosa, puri. Okay. I taken the 2 tiffins. Okay. How many ways I can pay the bill to the restaurant? My question again, Nana, I have 3 tiffins, idli, dosa, puri. So I am taking the tiffins of 2 tiffins I taken, not repeating. Okay. So how many ways I can pay the bill to the restaurant?
3 ways, sir.
Very good. Why 3 ways? Why 3 ways?
I substitute in the formula, sir.
Okay, without substituting, what is the way we can do here? Nana, idli dosa tiffin paying is same as dosa idli or not agree?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere, yeah, some value remains same. So here we can't do the arrangement here. So I need to pay only for idli dosa, or idli puri, or any other combination. No, it should be dosa and puri. Okay. 3 ways. Only 3 ways you'll get. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, Chandana. So guys, I know the formula, right? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So now 5C2, what is the value of 5C2, guys? 5C2. What is the value of 5C2, guys? 5C2. I need to do 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, or any other way we can write.
5 factorial value.
Okay, guys, any other way we can do rather than using formula.
5 into 4 by 2 factorial.
Very good. Who is this row number 15? Yadav again.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Guys, remember when they're asking 5C2 means we need to write directly 2 elements in descending order divided by 2 into 1. This is the concept we studied in our somewhere MSET or AEEE or IIT, it doesn't matter. Okay, what about 5C3, guys? Five C3.
5 into 4 into 3 by 3 factorial.
So what is the answer we are getting here? 5 into, guys, 3 elements in descending order. 5 into 4 into 3 by what I can write? 3 into 2 into 1. So what is the answer we are getting here?
Same answer, sir.
Same answer. So from this, what is the thing you understood? 5C2 is equal to 5C3, right?
Yes, sir.
So now what I can, suppose I want to test your knowledge, Nana. Suppose if I give NC8 is equal to NC7, what is the value of N here?
Nine, sir.
9?
8 plus 7.
Very good. 8 plus 7. That's the thing I want you to understand the notation here. Why? Remember here, 5C2 is 5C3 means 2 plus 3 is how much here? 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly here. So when I have 5C2 is 5C3 means similarly, here it should be added together. So N is how much here? 8 plus 7 is how much?
15.
15. So what is the formula we studied in or NCET or anything? NCR is equal to what I can write? NC. N minus R. Yes or no, guys? Yes? NCR is equal to what I can write? NC. N minus R. So here, suppose if I mention like this, NCR is equal to NCS means what the meaning should be? And I mentioned as NCR is equal to NCS, what the meaning should be? What
S
is
equal
ratio?
to N minus R.
Very good. So N is equal to R plus S or any other things we can write here, guys? Very good, Amachandra. I can see the chat box. Okay, fine. What about any other relation we can find out, guys? Guys, it can happen R equal to S also, right? Will it happen or not? Yes, they may be equal to R equal to S also, right? Understood, right? It can
Yes,
be
sir.
R, yeah, it can be R equal to S. Yes. So I think you understood the things, notations of permutations and combination, guys. Okay. So I want to go for next line, you know, before that. So I think you know how to find out 5C0. Guys, what is the value of NC0? What is the value of NC1? Anyone? NCN, NCN minus 1. Any values are there for these guys? NC0 how much?
NCN is 1.
Very good. Guys, remember NCN is 1, even NC0 also 1. Will everyone agree on this or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about NC1?
N.
N, perfect. What about NCN minus 1?
N.
That's the thing. So I hope combination is also clear, I think, right? Formula part? Yes. Perfect now. So can we see some problems on the permutations now? This is the first problem, Nanas. So how many ways 3-digit numbers can be found by using the digits 1, 3? 1 second, guys. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. How many ways I can do that? Three-digit number. Expecting answer through chat box for this problem. Try this. Guys, don't mind, for the next class, try to have roll numbers with your name, okay? Followed by your name. Very good, 60. Very good, Amma. Guys, check it. Answer should be 60 here. Only I can see roll number 4359, Lakshmi Akila, Nitin Teja Uttara chant form. Guys, respond. That's a thing. Sambhavi, very good. Guys, I hope you understood this concept. Only 2 minutes, guys. No, written down the wrong numbers. Okay. Okay, fine. So I can see most of them answers for 60. Very good. Amma Chandana, can you unmute Amma, please?
Yes.
Sachandra.
Sir.
Amma, so first of all, how many digit number given there?
5.
Yeah, five digits given there. How many digit number I need?
3-digit number we have to write, sir.
Yeah, we need to write 3-digit number. What is the first digit? How many chances are there for the first digit? First place, how many chances are there?
First is 3 chances, sir.
First place, I have 5 chances. Will you agree on this or not? Why I have 5? Why I have 5 chances for the first version?
Because we have 5 digits there, sir.
Very good. So we can use any one of the number. So we have 5 chances. What about the next digit?
We may have 4 chances, sir.
Very
because
good.
We
have used one of the number. Let us assume it has been 1 or any number used. We have 4 numbers left out. Then after
3 chances, sir.
Right, 3 chances, one of the number has been placed. Very good. So this is 5 into 4 into 3. Very good. It should be 60. Guys, everyone clear, right? This is without repetition. Now my question, Chandra, wait, Amma, don't mind. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this time, suppose if I give repetition is allowed, guys, repetition is allowed. What is the answer?
5 into 5 into 5.
Very good. 5 into 5 into 5. Very good. Good, Sambhavi. I hope you understood everything. 216. Check it. Someone written 216. We have only 5 digits, right? So very good. Here with repetition means I can use digits n number of times. So it should be 5 into 5 into 5, which is how much? 125. Very good. This time, Amma, Akila is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Amma, this time, suppose 0 is given in the first place. Suppose 0, 3, 4, 5, 8 is given like this. This time repetition is allowed. What is the answer for 3-digit number?
Just a minute, sir. So 4 into 5 into 5.
Very good. So why it is 4 into 5 into 5? Amma, this is like this. Why it is happening like that?
Because we can't use 0 as the first digit. It won't
Very
be a
good.
3-digit number.
Yes, perfect. So first digit I can't use 0. Other than 0, I have only 4 chances. For the rest of numbers, I can use 0. Rest of places.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so 0, it can be repetition n number of ways, right? So it should be 0, 3, 4, 5, 8. So it should be 4 into 5 into 5. I hope you understood everyone, right? 100. Perfect. Thank you guys responding. Nikita, very good, Amma. And this time, take 2 minutes and get me the answer for each of them. How many 5-digit numbers can be found by using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Very good. Roll number 32. Yeah, don't mind. Yeah, we can do together, Amma, this problem. Roll number 32. Who is this roll number 32?
Sir, Anvesh, sir.
Anvesh. Very good. Guys, I'm expecting answers for the. So if you want me to teach first one, I can teach. Remaining, if you want to do it, also fine. Anvesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can we do together this problem?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, what is the first digit and how many chances are there for the first digit? Nana? First place. How many chances
Sir,
are there?
I didn't say the question, sir. I thought only we should use 5 digits. The answer is wrong, sir. I'm sorry.
No problem. No, I'm not asking about answer or anything. See, we can do together what is there. Yeah,
Yes,
first
sir, I'm
digit,
just
how
telling
many?
that I didn't say the question correct. Sorry.
Yeah,
There are
no
6
problem.
ways.
It's okay.
6 ways.
First, we have 6 ways or 7 ways, Nana, because given 7 digits. Manish ready?
6 ways only, sir.
Why 6 ways, Nana? Because given 7 digits here.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, 7 ways, sir.
Yeah, first place, because guys, if we don't have any restriction with 0 means what is the first I can do? What is the first way I can do? Very good. I can see responses. Nitin also very good. Nitin, Nana, we can do together for the number 4. Okay, fine. Ritesh? Ritesh, I think everyone know, right? This one first we have 7 chances. Next it will be decrease or not? Guys, repetition is not allowed, right? It will be decreasing, right? So it should be 7 into 6 into what I can write now? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Any other notation I can write, guys? Directly what I can write? Notation. What is the NPR notation? How I can write?
Sir, you didn't. Okay, sir. So repetition is not allowed.
Yeah, all different digits.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. What is the NPR notation, guys? How to represent NPR notation here?
7p5.
Very good. 7p5. Because 7 elements, out of 7 elements, we can need to pick 5 elements and arranging. So it should be 7p5. What about number 2 here? Number 2 answer, guys. Nitin Teja, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer for number 2 here? How many of them begin with 1?
Sir, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 minute, sir. Sir, it's 1680.
I'm not asking answer, Nana. So one of the digit has been placed. How many digits left out?
4.
Yeah, 4 places left out. So how many digits are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, sir.
Very good. One of the digit has been placed here. So remaining we left with how many digits? 6 digits here. So then after what is the next thing I can write here? 6 into
5 into 4 into
3, because we don't have any restrictions for this. Yes or no, guys? What about
Yes, sir.
what about third one? What is the answer for number 3? Nitin.
Sir, it will be 1, 6. Same, sir.
Same, very good. Why same here? Again, one of the digit has been placed here. So it should be how much here? It should be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3.
4 into 3.
What about the last one? I want someone.
Uh,
Someone, last one. Shivadatta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what is the last one answer? How to do this?
60 is the answer.
Yeah, 60 only, but I am asking the procedure and how it is.
So as the given starting letter as 1 and ending with 8. So the total remaining number is 5.
Yeah, 7 minus 2, we have 5 digits because already 2 digits has been used. So what are the chances here? It should be 5p3 or 5 into
4 into 3.
Very good. So it should be how much? 60. Very good. Perfect.
60.
Roll number 18. Roll number 18. 9018. Are you there? 9018? Yes. Can you unmute? What is your name?
Sir.
What is your name, Nana? Sorry.
Satvik, sir.
Satvik. So how to do this kind of problems now? I need 4-digit number here. I have any. Satvik. So I have 4-digit number here. So number of ways of arranging a 4-digit number by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. What the answer should be? Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Quickly expecting answer, Nana. Whether you can use 0 in the first place?
Yes, sir. We can use.
If I use 0, it will be a 3-digit number, Nana, right?
Yes, sir.
We can't use 0 in the first place.
First place.
How many chances we have for the first position? Very good. We have five. Very good. 5 positions. 5 chances. Because why? 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So 5 chances. What about second position here? Second place.
4 chances.
It should be 4 chances or it should be 5 chances.
5 chances, sir. Because 0 we can include 0 also.
Sir, answer would be 120.
No, it is wrong. It should not be because here restriction is there. First digit I can't use 0, but other places I can include the 0, right? Suppose one of the number has been placed here. So remaining numbers, how many left here? 0, 4, 5, 6, 8.
5.
How many chances are there again here?
5 chances.
5 chances. What about the rest of the positions here? What about the rest of positions? 4, 5, 6, 8. Suppose one of the digit has been placed. Guys, remember here, first place I can't use 0. So that's why I can use 5 chances here. Next place I can include 0. Guys, here not 0 elements. Next we need to include 0 here. So that's why it will be again added. So 5 chances. Next will be decreasing order only. Satvik, is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer here we are getting? 300. Very good. Gurjot, Shesh, Kiran, very good. Perfect. Nikita, fine, Amma. Thank you. So answer should be how much here? 300. Guys, if you have anyone having doubts, let me know, guys. So I'll repeat the problem. Yes. Something we can pick up someone from the chat box, guys. Okay. Manali, are you there, right? Manali?
Yes, sir.
4 boys and 3 girls are there to be arranged in a photograph. So any idea how many ways we can arrange them?
7 factorial.
Why 7 factorial? I'm very good. I'm so happy that first one you got the answer quickly. So why it is 7 factorial?
Because in total there are 7 people. There is no specific
Condition mentioned.
condition mentioned. Yes.
So 4 boys and 3 girls, so totally 7 quantity here. We don't have any restrictions. He did not mention any places also. So directly I can write as 7 factorial, which is how much? 5040. Guys, number 2. I'm expecting someone can help me with this. Find the number of ways in which all the boys sit together. Find the number of ways in which all the boys sit together.
So is it 6 ways?
It's not 6 ways. I'm sorry. Amma, can you tell me the procedure? Okay. No problem. I am not bothering about the answer.
4
Okay.
factorial plus 4 factorial.
Okay. It is not 4 factorial plus 4 factorial. It should be happening at a time. Both are. It should be multiplication. Right? It is not either or. Yes or no? Guys, can anyone help me why it is 4 factorial into 4 factorial? Take time. 2 minutes. No
So
problem. Sorry, Adad. Yes, no?
576.
Okay. First of all, I write down the number of boys and we can do that. Okay. So without writing, it will be difficult. So I know that all the boys are together, right? Yes or no? All the boys are together means I need to have only within the one box, I need to place them. So let us assume B1, guys, B1, B2, B3, B4 is there. So these are in one set of things because we can't separate them. And again, how many elements, how many girls are there? So G1, G1, G2, G3. So tell me, so from this, anyone able to say, tell the answer? Fine. Guys, first of all, how many? Yeah, Nitin, very good. Tell me. Yeah.
There is it 7p4.
No, sir, not 74. No, please.
4 factorial.
It is already. Yeah, that's the thing. 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Can anyone give the reason why it is 4 factorial into 4 factorial?
If we arrange the boys first, so we get 4 factorial.
Yes, guys, remember within the boys we can arrange them because 4 boys, 4 places we can arrange 4p4, that is directly 4 factorial. Guys, will everyone agree, right? With the other, what he saying? 4 boys are there, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then after, what is the next condition?
The girls can also be arranged in different ways, so like 3 factorial ways.
But here I integrate 4 factorial.
Yes, sir, I will do that. And then it's not mandatory that boys sit like in this figure and totally in the left. They can even shift to the right, and they have
Perfect.
4.
Yes, understood the methodology what you approach. Rather than doing like that, what can you guys remember? Can I take boys as one quantity here? Yes, this is second quantity, this is third quantity, this is fourth quantity. Like 3 units are. How many units are there total here? Guys, remember, boys are single entity here and girls are 3 entities. Total entities, how many are there?
4, sir.
Total entities 4 are there. This 4 can be swapped in their positions anyways, right? Yes or no? Arranging the elements, I can do, how many ways I can do? When I have 4 elements are there, how many ways I can arrange them?
4 factorial.
4 factorial. Very good. I hope you understood the concept. This time, okay, Chandana, this time I'm expecting answer from you. Nikita also fine. Nikita or Gurjot, anyone can respond for this problem, Nana. So the thing is here, this time, girls are always sit together. This time problem is given as all the girls sit together.
Sir, 3 factorial into 5 factorial.
Very good. And why it is like that? Can you explain the logic behind that?
Sir, as the girls are 3, they are in a box, so 3 factorial.
Yeah, because we can't separate them. Very good. So it should be 3 factorial.
And boys are 4, sir. So if they act, so 4 plus, they can be right. So 4 plus 1, 5 factorial, 3 into 5 factorial.
Yes, these are the how many units are there? 5 units are there. So we can swap their positions or arrange them in any number of ways. So it should be 5 factorial, right? Everyone will agree on this. Very good. So almost time up, right? So last problem we can try this. In number of ways in which no 2 boys sit together.
4 factorial to 3 factorial.
Yes, yeah, that I'm so happy that. But we can give the chance to other people also, right? Yes. Good. Good to hear the answers. Gurjat, any answers for the number 3?
The same, sir.
Same means, no? How it is?
I mean, they can be sitting alternatively, but we can change the position. So 4 factorial into 3.
Perfect. Can you give the logic like step by step we can work together?
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
So we can place B1, G1.
B1, G1.
Then B2, G2. B3, G3.
Fine.
And the last B4, sir.
B4. This is only one way or any other way we can do that?
No, sir, we can interchange all the positions.
Very good. So guys, here I can do 4 boys. I can interchange their positions. How many ways I can do this? 4 factorial. So what about the girls here? How many girls? 3 girls are there, right? It should be 4 factorial to 3 factorial. Guys, this kind of problem, so there is just some notation is there. Gurjat, very good. I'm so happy for that also. Fine. So guys, when they're asking no 2 boys, make sure always first separate girls. And this is the last one I'm doing. Sorry for taking your time. This is a very large concept and that's why it's spending this much time. So guys, when they're asking no 2 boys together, make sure girls separate, okay? So girls are arranged in how many ways I can do this? 3 factorial ways. Guys, remember here we have 4 boys and 4 positions we have. So we can arrange them as 4 factorial. So I hope everyone understood the problem. When they're asking no 2 girls means no 2 girls means if you can want me to do in the next class, I will do this. Guys, take this the people like this slide as screenshot. I'm expecting answers for the last one. I hope everyone taking the screenshot, right? Yes, Nana. So this is one problem. You can take screenshot and you can leave the class. Thank you for your active participation. Thank you. Guys, before finding any issues are there, any problems, let me know. Very good, Amakla. I'm so happy that got the answer perfect. Guys, this one also you can try this over. If you're not getting, I'll explain the comment session. Thank you, and you can leave the class. Thank you.